Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm back with another video. तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है important MCQs of Islamiyat. तो वीडियो को आप लोगों ने एंड तक ज़रूर देखना है. Which surah starts without Bismillah? Al-Tawbah. The amount of zakat cannot be used in mosque. What is Sahih hai? Bukhari and Muslim. Jihad become mandatory in days Hijri, 2 after Hijri. Who collected Quranic verses in one place? Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. What is Islam? Kissing Hajr Aswad. How much surah the Quran contains? 114. The nisab of zakat in gold is 7.5 tolas. Qurbani, holy slaughtering is made during Hajj at Mina. Jamia Quran is taken for Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Pious Khilafat lasted for about 30 years. A Muslim female is coffined in 5 sheets. The original name of Imam Bukhari is Muhammad bin Ismail. Gathering on Arafat during Hajj is made on 9th Zilhajj. How many stages does Quran contain? 7. Namaz Istiqsa is a prayer for rain. Who is called Saqi Zamzam? Hazrat Abbas Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Who was the first writer of Wahi in Quraysh? Hazrat Abdullah ibn Masud Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. The kissing of the Hajr Aswad is called Islam. What is the number of Ramazan in the Islamic calendar? 9th. Imam Shafi took the office of religious judgment in the age of 15 years. Give the name of who compiled the first work of Hadith, Sahifa Sadiqa. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Who advised Abu Bakr Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu to compile the Quran? Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. The nisab of zakat in silver is 52.5 tolas. The foundation of Baitul Hikmah was Abbasid period, laid down during Abbasid period. The Prophet made Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal the governor of Yemen. What is the number of months Rajab in Islamic calendar? 7th. Sahifa Hamam bin Munabi was founded by Dr. Hamidullah. Hajj is not completed unless you go to Arafat. Muslims are the best of all due to moderation. When the law of inheritance was revealed for Hijri, who was the last commander-in-chief for Ghazwa Mauta? Hazrat Khalid bin Walid Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Imam Darul Hijrat is the title of Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal. Masjid Zu Qiblatain is situated in Medina. Khatibul Anbiya is a title of Hazrat Shuaib Alaikum. Which surah of Quran has Bismillah twice? Al-Namal. The effective zakat system can ensure the elimination of poverty. So thank you so much guys. तो वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा और इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.